And a pleasant good morning to you all out there. How are you guys? Nice sunny day, snow-capped mountains in the distance, and right here on the Cummins Lake here, just outside of Ely, Nevada. Yep, bad little spot, huh? It's been a while. I would imagine that it probably looks like it's warm from your computer screen if you got a nice warm cup of coffee and a heater going, but it is warming up in this area of Lincoln Highway. Today's high is 32. Look at that heron, just took off. He was hiding in the bushes. Yeah, 32 is the high, so. Bit of housekeeping real quick. Angela and I will not be traveling together anymore. We will remain good friends, and we may even meet up later on the road, wherever it meets. I'll be interested to see how things go, but for me it's been tricky to juggle a relationship on the road, and so kind of decided I'd rather go solo. So it is what it is, and we'll move on. New adventures with Jax. Cool. Do you guys see the fish in the water? Kind of hard to see, but they're swimming through. Those are some good 12 to 18 inch trout in there, I think. It is time that they make a national fishing license. I don't know what the price would be. You guys just come up with it, government. All 50 states, freshwater fishing license. And then pick your price. It'll sell, guys. The travelers need it. Now, Jackson and I will get on the road and go find some new adventures on the Lincoln Highway today. These mountains have the perfect amount of snow on them to be beautiful. Not scary, just a little bit of character, and that's really pretty. Look at this, guys. Look directly in front of me. This is strangely random, okay? Let me park and we'll get some information here. It cracks me up because we have a perfect blend of unusually quirky mixed with some incredible history here. This is the Ward charcoal ovens here in Nevada. They just seem so out of place. Let's go inside and take a peek. Huh. Wow. Very rarely do we get a chance to see something preserved. I mean, the construction on these is amazing. Again, built in the mid-1870s and still standing in 2018. Pretty incredible. They have 6 of them in total in line here. Here's a little diagram information talking about they are 27 feet wide and 30 feet tall. They hold 35 cords of wood. And those 35 cords of wood would burn for 12 days in one of these. I'm really just in awe out here. This is spectacular. This is amazing. I mean, there's no graffiti. This place never closes. It's open 24 hours a day out here. A little remote. Maybe that has something to do with it. But I love it. It's really neat that these are still here to see today. Nobody has moved in and put a tent or a tarp or anything in any of them. They're clean. There's no bottles of beer. Hello! Hello, hello, hello! Wow. Very neat little piece of history. Potable drinking water. Hello. Red Tower. A dump station? Hey! Let me get turned around here. Huh. Fantastical. The Silver Sage Travel Center truck stop here in Ely, Nevada, appears to really like travelers. Yep, a free dump station. Woo-hoo! And free potable drinking water? I'm gonna test it first. I don't know how you get the water to come on. It might be off for the season, but I'm gonna dump my tanks just to get that out of the way for now. I'm still having trouble finding water anywhere here. It's an interesting time of the year to be in an RV because even when you pay for the campgrounds, you pay the same price even though the water's shut off. Gonna have to improvise here and start asking places. I'm stopped here at Ridley's Family Markets for some groceries. And you know, they know we just got done with the loneliest highway and haven't seen civilization or produce for 400 or 500 miles, weeks at a time. That's why I paid $10 for a DiGiorno's frozen pizza and $5 for a gallon of milk. They do sell propane exchange for 20 bucks though, so that's a lot better than 27. This one's empty, so I will definitely do that. The other one's still got about a quarter in it, but I'm just gonna have to bite the bullet. I'm gonna edit for a little bit here in the parking lot and use the heat while I've got the door wide open, and kind of go through that propane. And then I'll feel better about spending another $40 for 2 more things of full propane on the road. And then we'll get back to the campground and use my propane to heat everything, yeah. This state park has a campground here, which is completely deserted. And they put all these nice little campsites in between all these trees. And it's really pretty. Get a little covered area. I bet that's nice in the summer. Barbecue pit and a fire ring, and well, really nice views. Like I said, I'm the only person here at the campground, and I don't know. I am gonna stay here tonight because it's $5 to get into the ovens, and then for just $10 more you can camp in an approved spot with no hookups, no running water, and no cell service. It's fine. It's just a way to relax. You guys know, from here on out, there's a couple different routes of Lincoln Highway. Like, I don't know what you call them, segments or series, but you know, in 30s, 40s, 50s, and probably even the 60s, the route changed quite a few times to accommodate a better spot. And there is actually a part of Lincoln Highway that goes into Colorado, literally, and then comes back up. And we're not going to be doing that this time of year. I'm looking for lower elevation routes and camping and fun. So if you're taking Lincoln Highway in the summer, you might be able to see a totally different scenery and stuff. It might be really nice in the summertime to go through Colorado, but I'm just not going to do it. Jacksonmas, you going to sniff everything out and make sure this spot's okay for us? I know, I picked it out and you didn't. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. What do you think? Yeah, there's some snow over there you could play in too if you get bored. Okay. That wind chill with this 29 degrees is just brutal. Oh, brr. Jax, man, are you ready for 70 degrees? Say, bring it. Bring it.